The police in Ghana has no right to seize or impound your vehicle because you do not have your driver's license at the moment. All the police can do is to take your details and file a case against you. No law gives them the right to do that. Let's get to the board. Now, according to LI 2180 Regulation 47, where a police officer demands that you produce your license, you must release it to the police officer immediately. However, the sub-regulations 3 has expressly stated that the police officer may demand that you produce your license within 24 hours. Now, may by the Interpretations Act means discretionary, so the police can decide on whether you produce your license immediately or within 24 hours. Now, sub-regulations 4 is stating that where the police demands that you produce it immediately, you must produce it. Where the police demands that you produce it within 24 hours, you must produce your license within 24 hours. Now, here's where the problem is. Okay, so if the police says I should produce my license within 24 hours or immediately, what do I do? Would the police have to take my vehicle? No. All the police would have to do is to rely on Section 53 of Act 683, which is the Road Traffic Act of Ghana, where it has especially stated that driving without license is illegal. So now let's come back to 24 hours. So now you're driving your vehicle, you do not have your license. The police has given you 24 hours to produce your license. All the police would have to do within that 24 hours is to take your details, the details of your vehicle and not your vehicle. So you could go and within 24 hours produce your license. When you fail to produce your license within that 24 hours, then the police would file a case against you for driving without license with your details and the car details they have available. Now, with the immediately, if the police demands you produce your license immediately and you do not have it, the police would not have to seize your vehicle. But the police has no right to do that. All the police would have to do is to, at that instance, file a case against you in court for driving without a license with your car details and your details. Or the police would have to tell you to follow them to the station where they'll make a charge against you for driving without a license. And you either have to appear before the court that instant or they'll give you a date to appear before the court. Now, this does not mean you should drive without license because it's very dangerous. Now, according to Section 53, when you drive without license, you shall be fined 250 penalty units. And 250 penalty units is the legal currency, just like we have the dollar, the cedis. 1 unit of the 250 is equated to 12 cedis. So 12 times 250 penalty units is 3,000 Ghana cedis. So you either be fined 3,000 Ghana cedis or you'll be jailed for 12 months. Don't forget, the police has no right to impound your vehicle. This is the law Ghana. I'm Duda Brown.